Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck and install this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info, from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!